Oh my God, I am so happy that Kim Jong-un is married.
Ay, joke lang.
Yes.
How did you guys
Oh my
feel? I don't
God.
know. Pasaglit ko lang siya nakikita on social media and stuff. But like when I saw his face, like some of the photos, parang, oh my God, he's married. Parang it
I
felt like
know.
such a sumakses. Parang may ganun vibe.
Ay, in touch pa rin sa mga slang.
Correct!
I know. In fairness, maraming mga bagets kasi on set.
Oh, that's so
Ano yung mga
gnarly
Gen
of
Z
you,
terms
Mon.
na amin?
You're so gnarly.
1, 2, sarang!
Hey! Annyeong, this is Pia.
Hi everyone, this is Rency.
Hi, this is Monica, and welcome to another episode of 1, 2, sarang! Oh my
Guess
God!
who's back?
Welcome
It's so
back.
good
Guess
to
who's
be
back?
Back again.
Guess who's back?
This is back.
Guess she's back.
Back
Guess
again.
she's back. Guess she's back.
Yes.
Yes, she's back.
Uh-huh.
So after about 2 months of being unable
Was it
to
2
record,
months?
2
Grabe.
months? I think 2 months. Kasi
Wow.
May na, guys. May. Can you
To
believe
be fair, may
it?
mga nasingit tayo. Wag mong i-reveal kung alin yung mga nasingit natin. But yes, you're back.
Oo nga. Yes, I'm back. It's been a while. I haven't been able to record because I've been busy doing a project and nakasingit to. Yes!
Yay!
And I'm so happy.
Yay!
Sobrang na-miss ko kayo, Sarang Bass, and of course, Pia and Trency.
I
Like
miss
sometimes, when I'm in the middle of nowhere, in the bundok, iniisip ko, nakalimutan na ba nila ako?
Wow!
Kasi iniisip ko sila today. Oo,
Kaya pala nung isang araw, parang nagdudugo yung ilong mo. Na-ER tuloy ako, ikaw lang pala yun.
Oo, ako yun.
Pag nangangati yung
As a
tenga mo,
very,
kami yun, pinag-uusapan ka namin.
Correct.
Hello. Ay, alam mo, parang sobrang nangati yung tenga ko to a point na naghahanap ako sa Facebook ng Ear Cleaning Philippines.
Oh, kita mo yan? Meron ba sa
Kasi
Ay,
alam
Facebook?
may
mo kung
something.
saan. Girl, I think after this thing of yours, this project of yours,
That's
pupunta
our
tayo
date.
dun.
Tayong tatlo.
Oo,
Ear
ear
cleaning
cleaning.
session tayo. Oh my God, that's
to
the
each
best. I
other,
can't wait.
nakapila.
Okay, so for the episode today, dahil nga ang tagal kong nawala, my God, sobrang medyo out of the loop ako sa mga pangyayari sa K-pop, K-drama, variety, everything, all the chismis. And, well, I just want to take this opportunity to ask, basically, kung anong nangyayari. As in, gusto ko lang
Secret! Secret!
Sabihin nyo. Kung hindi nyo sabihin, wala tayong
Walang episode today.
Wala, gusto ko lang maki-update kasi FOMO nga ako. Kasi wala na akong alam. And magtatanong ako ng different questions from K-drama, K-variety, K-pop, and all the other chismis involving the Hallyu world. So, baka, I guess, you can say na medyo recap na rin to ng last quarter.
Wow.
Last quarter.
Wow.
Wow, may ganun na pala
Correct.
tayo.
Oo nga.
Pasimuno.
Oh,
Yes.
H1
Because
review.
it's already the middle of summer, winter is over. Wow, winter.
May winter
Spring.
dito.
May
In
winter
this
tayo.
scorching,
Oo.
blazing heat.
Yes. May winter talaga tayo,
How I
guys,
wish.
Kasi nag-adapt na tayo sa Korea. Like, na-feel nyo ba yun minsan? Like, kunyari, pag around November na, tas fall and stuff. And then, inaabangan na ng lahat ng first snow. And then, when finally in-announce na may first snowfall, ako rin F na F ko na parang, oh my God, it's snowing already. Ganun.
Kinikilig ka
Kahit
mag-isa
na hindi
gano'n.
naman ako Koreano. Oo.
Tapos naghahanap ka rin ng lover. Kasi diba,
Oo. Tapos,
yung crush mo, makasama mo sa first snowfall.
oo.
Diba?
Tapos
Diba?
kailangan niyang
Oo.
gawin yung first snow challenge ng EXO. Para lang complete yung complete.
Correct.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, takin na ex.
But I must say, I love your tan. It looks so nice.
It's
anong
a
ginawa
tarlac
mo?
tan.
Oo nga eh. Hindi kasi pantay
Magbabad
siya.
sa
Hindi siya
tarlac.
mukhang Hindi siya mukhang trabaho tan. Mukhang beach tan.
Oo.
Ganon.
Wait, it's
Well-
called, di pala tarlac tan, it's called batan.
To be fair, Yes, nagbataan at nagbatangas din kami. So,
Ayun!
yes.
Kita mo yan. Ang
Ayun
ganda.
Pantay na pantay. Thank you.
Oo, tanlak.
But syempre, laging nagsiskincare, laging nag-SPF. So, thank you to, ano nga pala yung brand ni Hoshi?
Dalba.
Mali. Aldalba.
Dalba.
Magpa-PPL na nga, mali pa. Nakalimutan ko yung
nga, paano nila
Wala
tayo
na.
mapapansin?
Matanggal na
Dalba?
yung kontrata.
Pantay na patay ang aking
Goodbye.
skin.
Ang ganda.
And palagi ako nag-moisturize because, kahit na mainit, kailangan, may something pa rin din. And sometimes
Yes.
talaga minsan, like kahit na antok na ako, pinipilit ko pa rin maglagay ng mga moisturizer and
Wow.
stuff. Dahil alam ko, sobrang pangit ko na dahil wala akong tulog, super eye bags and stuff. So, yun na lang yung panlaban ko. Parang
Girl,
ganun.
Beauty.
super effective.
Beauty.
I
It
must
works.
say.
Thank you so
Yes.
much.
And I
Fairness.
think, sakto lang. Kasi syempre, this year is an important year for Miss Mon as well.
Oh no!
Dapat i-mention natin kasi as of recording, hindi pa. Pero once we drop this episode, it is actually Monica's birthday!
Happy
Oh my
birthday!
gosh, I can't
With the
believe
beautiful
it. Tapos sabi nila, they'll drop by sa aking setup on my birthday. So pagtatrabahuin ko si Charla.
Grabe naman.
Pakainin mo kami, ha? Happy homes.
Oh, Happy homes! Oh, pork chop. Anyway, gosh, ang tagal na ng chika na to because we missed each other. So I wanna get on to the program by asking, first and foremost, ano ba ang pinapanood nyo guys? Kasi wala, hindi ko na alam. Ano na bang nangyayari sa K-drama world? What's new? What's like the 411? What? 411?
What?
Anong pelikula yon? But anyway, yeah, like what are the good K-dramas to watch right now?
Me, I'm watching Residence Playbook as a fan of the Hospital series, Hospital Playlist series. I super love this. And syempre, fan din tayo ni, hindi ko maalala yung pangalan niya. Wait, Google. Because we talked about her a lot also in different episodes like Alchemy of Souls. Sobrang ganda niya, lalo na dito. Ayun, si Go Yoon Jong. There you go. And siya naman yung, di ba meron ding in the works silang dalawa ni Kim Sono. But anyway, sobrang favorite ko tong buong series na to. And ang cute kasi dito naman, dun sa Hospital Playlist kasi, they're parang medyo established na in their field. So, in this K-drama, they're parang first-year residents. So, hindi naman sila intern level. Residents na sila. Pero still fumbling and things like that. Still so very heartfelt. Still all about the relationships of people in the hospital, the friendships that you make, and then yung mga frustrations nyo sa mga boss ninyo. Just the way that the writers always do this series. So if you want, and limited series lang siya, parang 10 episodes. So I feel like it's worth watching. Tapos may cameo din siya dun sa mga characters sa Hospital Playlist. Sobrang cute na the way they integrate like the storylines, how season 2 ended. Kasi medyo naghiwa-hiwalay. Hindi naman naghiwa-hiwalay, pero parang yung mga path nila after nun. So yun, tapos parang kung sino yung mga kinasal na after, may mga ganun pa, parang doon kasi sa, parang couple pa lang sila, so dito kasal na sila, yung mga ganun. Sobrang cute.
Ganun, cute.
Oo.
So this
sobrang ganda.
Resident
Continuation
Playbook
siya.
Oo.
takes place like later on after Hospital Playlist. Pero the same hospital. Tama ba?
Parang ang pagkakaintindi ko, chain of hospitals yung Yulje. Yulje kasi yung pangalan. So I think it's in different like cities in Korea. So kasi yung isa, parang pinadala siya dun sa isang Yulje na nandun yung iba pang mga galing sa Hospital Playlist. So yun, may mga ganon.
Parang
It's super
Qualimed.
nice.
pero kung
Gawin naman
playlist,
natin mga medical city, ganyan.
Medical City, okay.
Or St.
but if
Luke's.
playlist yung before, bakit siya playbook? Playbook, diba? Tama
Oo,
ba?
playbook.
Anong ano?
Parang feeling ko in keeping with Prisoners Playbook, 'di ba? Parang yun yung series niya. Kasi yung playlist, iba siya talaga. It's really about these
Kasi may
people.
kantahan.
Oo, may banda kasi sila. So ito parang it's a playbook. I guess that's how they differentiate it. Parang yung sa Prisoners Playbook nga na it's really about like how you go about in the prison. Parang ganon.
Okay. Is it done? Like everything was dropped already?
Not yet. So we're currently, as of recording, we're on episode 6 na sobrang, episode 5 pala yung dami kong iyak. Ang ganda-ganda lang. Anyway, basta, panoorin nyo. And sinong nanonood, mag-usap tayo kasi sobrang ang dami kong thoughts. Ayun lang. Ayoko mag-spoil.
Ikaw, Trency, what have you been watching?
Oh, me. Yung recent na pinanood ko, actually, pretty chill lang no watching na yun actually. Sakto lang. Pero maraming magaganda na nag-drop. But this one I watched kasi gusto ko ng medyo bakbakan. Bakbakan ng mga bata. Weak Hero. Class.
Oh my gosh!
Is it nice?
Did you see the first season too?
Yeah, nakita ko rin yung first season. Yung first season pinanood ko rin recently. Kasi parang nag-ano siya eh. Parang pumasok din siya sa top 10, yung first one. Kaya I thought,
Yeah.
oo. And then, kaya pala in preparation for Weak Hero 2. So, yun.
Kamusta?
Fun siya. Ako, I mean, ano siya eh, as kung mahilig kayo sa Hunger Games talaga, or mga batang nagbabakbakan. Hindi yung Hunger Games, but just mga batang nagbabakbakan. Ito yun. Or yung mga anime, parang for me, ganun yung vibe eh. Alam mo yun? Like
It's
anime
like
kids.
so it's like, what's that Japanese movie? Gosh, I forget.
Ang tawag dito, yung nasa island sila, yung mga kids.
Yeah, oo. Is
God.
it like that?
Yung ginawang
na parang
play.
Oo
survival.
naman. Yung premise kasi ng Weak Hero, it's about this kid, parang medyo genius level siya na bata. Pero kind of like stoic, medyo apathetic sa mundo. And then he's bullied. And then meron pala siyang, since matalino siya, he can actually like kind of strategize to fight. But he's also a fighter at the same time, kahit na hindi naman din siya physically magaling. And then he parang, so ito yung sa 1 na, kasi yung 2 is a continuation of that. So sa 1, he teams up with the kid from Watermelon. Twinkling Watermelon.
Lomon, si Lomon
The
ba
guy.
yun?
Oo. Si
Yung
yung nagigitara.
Yung nahuli
Yung maraming
ni
issue.
Yossi.
Oo, I forget his name. Basta siya. And then, another kid. 2 other kids ba? Tama ba? 2 other kids. And then parang they become like this anti-bullying group in the school kasi maraming bullies. So it's basically like about like, fighting off bullies, ganyan. And then Weak Hero 2, parang continuation siya of what happened in Weak Hero 1. So, medyo marami nangyari sa Weak Hero 1. And sa Weak Hero 2, yung bida natin is in another school na. Kasi parang he had to leave. Parang ganon. So,
Ano sila, high schoolers?
high schoolers lang, puro bakbakan girl.
Oh
Yung mga
my
high school
God.
na to, akala mo, puro dugo. Yun. Kung mahilig kayo sa mga dugo, Monica, mahilig ka ba sa mga dugo? Oo. O yun. Oo.
Pero bakbakan lang, hindi naman killing. Battle Royale yun, tinutukoy.
Ayun,
Battle
Battle
Royale. Yes.
Hindi naman siya gruesome level like Battle Royale.
Hindi naman siya gruesome. Parang marami lang parang bakbakan at away. I think yung point
Bakbakan
lang
is
naman
the
ng
word.
whole series na to is like you have to, purity of wanting to be good to people, ganon. Parang yun. And I guess yung bida kasi parang yun yung journey niya eh, kasi he starts out like, not apathetic, parang very angry, but then he meets this group of people who really care about like having to help people and stuff. So, dun siya nanggagaling, And then yung continuation ng journey na yun is in Weak Hero 2. Parang,
Ilang
okay.
episodes yung season 1?
Wow, it's so short eh. Kasi itong 2.8,
Nasa
I think
10
mga
lang.
ganun din. Oh,
Okay.
oo.
Interesting.
May kli lang siya actually. Kaya madali lang din siya panoorin. And it's not even long. Parang, I think it's like less than an hour. Tama ba?
Oh.
The binge watch ko siya eh.
Okay. I see.
Yeah, tama. So the first one is 8 episodes din.
Okay.
Oo.
Would you
2002
say
pa siya.
Ang
2022 pa pala
tagal
siya
na.
ni-release.
Yeah. Matagal ko na yung narinig. Pero parang wala kasi siya sa usual streaming sites. I think. Kung tama yung naalala ko nung yung first season. Kaya hindi ko siya in-effortan hanapin. But I have been hearing that title na it's good.
Correct, oo.
Would you say that like it's like an anti-bullying kind
Campaign?
of Oo, parang may ganong angle.
Yung messaging.
Yung messaging.
Oo. In a way, I guess. Parang alam mo yun, parang like, if the point is like helping the weak. Kasi kaya nga weak hero eh. He's the hero for the weak. Parang ganun. So he helps out the kids who are bullied with his brilliant mind and great use of ball pens. Alamin mo, ball pens.
Okay.
Para
Okay.
sa props
Okay.
department ni Monica, magagamit ba yan sa Quezon?
Hindi, kasi para siyang si Rizal. Si Rizal kasi, di ba? Power of the pen.
Yeah.
Patay na siya dun sa
Writer siya.
pelikula ni
Writing pala
Monica.
siya.
No limit tangere.
Uy, madami nga talaga kaming ballpen because
Oo.
since 1920s, 1930s, ballpen na kami, hindi pluma.
Oy,
Hindi
in
na maganda
fairness.
yun.
Well, ganun.
Pero ang tanong, paano kayo nakahanap ng ballpen na sakto sa 1940s?
Correct.
Oh my God, can I just say that Shopee, Temu, and Lazada is amazing?
Wow.
What? They have pens from
They
the
do.
1940s? Like, what do you search?
Of course, they don't.
Oo.
They didn't come from that period. But they look
Yeah, oo.
Oo.
Parang I just search vintage pens and like, oh my God, ito, pasado to. Ganun,
In
ganun.
fairness.
Kesa sa bumili ako kasi yung mga mamahaling branded pens. Now,
Oo.
yun yung mga ball pens from back then.
Oo.
But
Parker.
obviously, I can't
Sobrang classic yung Parker.
But yeah, yung mga cross, yung mga ganun.
Cross.
But obviously, I can't afford them because they're so freaking expensive. But thanks to the China apps.
Thank you so
Yes.
much.
Like, you know,
Sponsor
I can
us.
buy
Sponsor
fountain
us,
pens.
China.
Oo. Walang tariffs dito.
Walang tariffs dito.
Walang tariffs talaga yun. No?
Pero wag lang kayo sa reef namin.
Oo, yun lang.
Tama,
Wag doon,
tama.
Yun lang.
please.
Yun lang.
Let's set our boundaries. We
Correct.
will pay. Just stay away. Ganun.
Stay away.
Ay, ganda
Correct.
nun. We will pay. Just stay away. Yan ang sinasabi sa mga bullies.
Yeah.
Bigyan mo ng pera. Maraming pera. Bayaran mo
Pera
na lang sila.
What about variety shows? Parang marami akong mga naririnig na fun stuff now.
Ang dami.
Anong pinapanood nyo? I wanna know.
Earth Arcade
Pia.
is back.
Oh!
It's now on season 3. Sobrang
Ay,
nakakatuwa. Pero one episode pa lang as of recording. But syempre, it's always fun to see all of them together being chaotic. Tapos ito yung na-realize ko sa kanila. Kasi parang si PD na pagod sa kanila, 'di ba? Tapos parang sabi ko, bakit yung 17 kaya niya? Pero tong 4 na babaeng to, hindi niya kaya. Kasi the difference is, in fairness sa 17, bibigyan mo ng activity, tapos dun sila magiging magulo. Pero itong mga babaeng to, binibigyan pa lang na activity, ang gulo na. Parang sandali lang. Pagsalitian niyo muna si PD na. Kasi ang daming mga sinasabi ni PD na, sandali lang kasi yung audio director natin, hirap na. Yun lang, nakikiusap na lang siya. 4 lang kayo, pero hirap na po siya. Parang ganon. Wala lang. It's always fun to see them together. And syempre, PD na is PD na. So it's still so much fun. Yes, Earth Arcade.
Earth Arcade, yeah. Ako isa lang naman yung tinutukan kong variety show. I mean, the usual 2 days, 1 night, di ba? We still
Yes.
like watch that every now and then, ganun. Fun pa din naman. Pero yung recent na talagang tinutukan ko is Possessed Love.
Oh my God.
And they just ended yung episode. And the season just ended this week. So, ayun. Ako, ang statement ko is about it. Parang mas gusto ko yung cast ngayon.
Oh?
Oo.
Why?
Gusto sa'yo yung cast ngayon.
Bakit?
Parang mas interesting. Mas may mga changes sila on how they set up yung mga like dates and stuff. Parang mas malinis ngayon for me. Mas malinis yung setup ng mga dates.
It's longer
Yung cast
also
mas-
compared to season 1.
Correct.
6 episodes lang yun eh.
Oo.
Ngayon 10. Kaya mas may time.
10
Anyway, go
episodes.
ahead.
Pero
na
tig
siya.
2 hours pa rin.
Hindi,
Oo,
1 hour
girl.
30 lang.
1 hour 30. Yung 1 hour 40.
Kaya nagto 2 hours kaya.
Ngayon
yung
hindi.
dati.
Ito hindi.
Yung dati, 2 hours.
Oo.
Ito hindi.
Parang noong una, actually, hindi ako sure if I liked it, no, yung cast. Pero eventually, kasi lumabas yung mga personalities ng mga tao And, ayun, very
Sino yung mga
interesting siya.
Sino yung mga shaman? Anong klaseng shaman? Kasi
Girl.
naalala ko yung one. Parang ang daming tarot readers.
Oo.
But like, I mean, okay lang naman. But like, it would be nice to have some variety. I don't know. Sino nakakita ng multo? May mga ganon?
Hindi nila
Parang
sinabi yung kind of shaman Pero, girl, as in like, puro shaman. Parang 4 lang or 3 lang yung
shaman?
hindi. As in puro shaman. As in
my
yung
God.
sobrang favorite ko. Like,
5 sila.
Hindi
5
kasi sa
shaman,
boys-
5 others.
5 ba? But anyway, parang yung sa start
5
kasi yung
sila,
boys, nung wala pa yung catfish. So, 4 sila. Yung 3 shaman, yung isa Saju reader. Tapos nung Saju reader, nung nag-job reveal na sila, as in na-shock siya. Parang si Saju reader, parang, oh my God, puro shaman kayo. Tapos ang ginawa niya, pumunta siya sa kwarto, tapos nagtalukbong siya ng kumot. Kasi stress siya na puro shaman yung mga kasama niya. And actually, the Saju reader, ang interesting din nung pinaka-arc niya because it was shown how he was so, parang, hindi siya masyadong comfortable with the thought na mga shaman yung mga kasama niya kasi nagtalukbong nga siya ganun. But then he fell in love with a shaman. So may struggle din siya na ganun. Na, kaya ko ba talaga na shaman yung girlfriend ko? Parang may ganun siya.
Oo.
Ang ganda nung ganung mga input.
Did
Yung
he ever
isang-
explain why ayaw niya sa shaman?
Actually, he didn't. I feel like it was kind of known, I guess.
Oo.
Parang-
Parang ganun nga eh.
Oo.
Parang I think like generally, yun nga eh, Pia and I were talking, parang there's really something about shamanism, I think, that we can never fully understand
Oo.
unless we are immersed talaga in, Korean culture and alam natin kung anong thoughts ng mga tao about it. Kasi parang ang dating talaga is he was scared. Alam mo
Yeah.
yun?
Okay.
Yeah.
Takot talaga siya kasi parang for them, pag may shaman, may mga kasama siyang ibang mga espiritu with them.
Oo.
And alam mo yun, parang I think yun yung, and kaya nilang i-conjure yun, and then they can also read you, alam mo yun, something like that. So,
Yeah.
may ganung dating kagad. So, I think parang implied na lang na merong fear of shamans
Oo.
in general. Oo.
Okay, okay.
And even them, like, they still don't know a lot about it as well. Kasi parang this guy was also
Correct.
asking the girl na parang, so paano yan? Kailangan mong kausapin. Kasi yung divine spirit ni girl is Harabuji. So parang, so kakausapin mo yung Harabuji mo. Kasi hindi siya yung fated partner, ganon. Tapos parang the girl was like, hindi. Kasi kasama ko siya ngayon. Parang ganun. Tapos parang yung guy, kasama mo siya
Oo.
ngayon? Tapos parang yung
Oh
girl,
my God.
Oo, lagi ko
Oo.
siyang kasama. Lagi kaming magkasama.
Like, tsaka yung isa, yung guy, si Yonu, yung isang guy, parang he's a newbie
Si Dan Chua.
shaman pa lang siya. Si Dan Chua. Kamukha ni
Sila ni Dan.
Hi, Dan Chua.
Hello.
Our friend Dan Chua.
Our friend Dan. Kamukha niya, pero si Dan Chua to ah. Tapos nun, as in, bago pa lang siya. So, pag bago ka pala, parang hindi ka pa super in control of that connection. So, minsan nag-overlap siya ng sobrang bilis. And then, dumating si Catfish guy. Sobrang pogi ni Catfish guy. Honestly, yung
Ang
cast
pogi
na
talaga
to,
niya.
maraming pogi dito.
Oo.
Oh, okay.
Would you say
Okay.
maraming pogi? Oo.
I think yes.
Oo. Parang, and then, parang, so nasa table silang lahat. Tapos itong guy na to, nakatingin siya kay Catfish guy. Tapos sabi niya, you're so handsome. Gumanon siya bigla. Tapos parang, and then in a tone of voice pa na hindi tunog sa kanya. Tapos sabi niya parang, oh my God, shit, lumusot si grandma.
Kasi even yung look niya yung look niya talagang very girl. As in talagang hindi yung
Oo,
lalaking siya yung
nakaganon
nakita
siya,
mo.
no?
Talagang very
Oo,
very lola. Siguro kung dito yun parang, iho, ang pogi mo iho. Parang ganun siguro yung labas but in
ganon.
Korean.
Tawa talaga ako dun. Nakalusot siya. Hindi niya kinaya. Pogi kasi talaga nun.
Sobrang
Artistahin,
pogi
as in.
niya.
Sobrang pogi nun.
It's so interesting that these shows, I mean, more and more, lalo akong napapa-question na, oh my God, ang dami nilang shaman. And like, kung gaano ka
Correct.
natural lang to na, ayun nga, yung may lumulusot na mga
Correct.
spirits. Alam mo yun?
Oo.
And they're just among us. I mean, kasi like, for example, if meron tayong, I don't know, like, syempre, kunyari, in the Philippines, if meron tayong mystic, tama ba yung word? Parang pag mga ganong people
Oo.
who can communicate, blah, blah, blah. They're not, well, I wouldn't know because I don't really know anyone na ganon. But at least some preconceived notion is mas patagu sila and they're not really out and about, if that makes sense. Alam mo yun?
Mm.
But ito, it's like the everyday people that you're next to, nagkataon lang na shaman din siya. So, alam mo yun, like, it's, here we are talking about shamanism again, our favorite topic.
Yes.
So, it's our favorite topic. And,
Yes.
again, there's so much to know about it. And, ano pa? Ano pa? What about the show? I want to know more.
May interesting din na nangyari. I mean, spoiler para sa mga hindi pa nanonood and gustong manood, skip nyo na lang mga 2 minutes, ganyan.
Ikaw ba,
Pero
Mon?
may-
Gusto mo ba malaman?
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Wala na yan oras manood eh.
Oo nga. Ito
Correct.
na yun eh. Kaya ako curious. Correct.
Kasi merong isang si shaman guy tsaka si shaman girl. As in sila yung super ship from the start.
I hate that.
Pero kasi medyo weird kasi their first date, ito si shaman boy, sabi niya dun, si Rayun yung girl, yung guy si Gangwon, 'di ba?
Gangwon.
Parang sabi ni Gangwon kay Rayun, alam mo, kasi super click sila, as in sobrang okay. Tapos parang si Ryan, fated partner niya, yun yung pinili niya sa start na plaque. Ito si Gangwon. Anyway, parang sinabi niya na, alam mo, we should just, have time to date other people while we're here in the house. Tapos parang si Ryan, very frank na, hindi. Bakit kailangan? Parang ganun. Okay na ako. Pero dahil sinabi niya yun, pag uwi nila sa house, di parang lumapit siya sa ibang mga lalaki, tas nagselos naman to si Gangwon, tas ganyan. Parang, okay, I take it back. Hindi na, parang ganyan. Anyway, sobrang cute nilang dalawa kasi apparently it's very important for shamans to pray to their mga ancestors. Parang kailangan nilang ma-energize or something like that, or to
correct.
feel the
Oo.
connection once again. So
Oo.
parang Ryan was complaining na parang ang tagal ko nang hindi nakakapag-pray ever since I went to this house. So ito si Gangwon, nakahanap siya ng parang prayer site. So dinala
Oo.
niya siya doon para makapag-pray siya. Like,
Yun yung date nila.
'Di ba? Only shamans will do that. Like hindi yun
Yeah.
maiisip ng ordinary person. Tapos biglang si Gangwon in the middle of the show towards the end, bigla siyang umalis. Kasi meron daw siyang rule na break. And ang sabi sa mga chismis, mukhang may girlfriend talaga siya. So kaya lang siya pumunta
I'm
sa show.
so...
'Di ba? Kaya
I'm
niya
so
sinabi
pissed
yun sa
off.
first date nila eh. Kasi gago siya eh.
Oo. I was so pissed off. And then the thing is ito yung thing, si Ryan. So, di ba, syempre, di ba nung sa start, di ba, namimili sila ng fated partner nila.
Partner.
Oo. And so, she chose that. Pero ang sabi nung spirit sa kanya, nung divine spirit niya na parang, pipiliin mo to pero that guy will fuck you up. Parang ganun.
Oo.
Ma-hurt ka nitong guy.
Oh.
True enough, na-hurt nga siya.
As
And then I was so
in.
pissed kasi sobrang, like for me, sa bahay na to, sa bahay ni Kuya. sila talaga yung for me, parang mama bear, papa bear vibe siya for me. Alam mo yun? Parang talagang kita mo na parang, oh my God, these two may connection talaga sila eh.
Oo.
Alam mo yun? Parang sobrang bagay. Si girl kasi very motherly. Siya parating naglilinis, nagluluto. And then, pag yung mga girls, like, they need some kind of, like, advice or comfort, sa kanya siya pumupunta. Sa kanya sila pumupunta. And then, yung guy naman, parang may ganun siyang parang kenkoy kind of daddy vibe. Alam mo yun? Guess mo ba ako, Pia?
Oo,
Parang,
oo,
diba?
oo.
May ganun siyang vibe. So, parang sobrang invested ako. Tapos, biglang may ganito. Kaya, alam mo, kaya hindi ko natapos yung episode na yun eh. Yung next episode. Parang hindi ko kayang tapusin. Kailangan mo nang mahimasmasan kasi I was so pissed.
Kasi makikita mo rin talaga yung eyes ni Ryan, medyo maga.
Correct.
Alam mong umiyak.
Oo.
As in, iba talaga yung vibe niya after that. It's so super annoying. Sorry. I know, it's so annoying. Pero pag-usapan din natin si Catfish na pogi, si Sangyok. Sobrang pogi niya.
pogi.
Like, grabe talaga. As in, parang mukha pa siyang reliable guy.
Correct.
Titignan mo siya, yung parang,
He's so
alam mo, ang sarap
tall.
niya i-boyfriend.
Oo. And then, sorry, I have a question, Pia. Tama ba? Yung sasakyan na parati niyang dinadrive, sa kanya yun?
Oo, yun yung
Kasi
sabi
sinabi niya,
niya.
my car eh. Tapos siya
Oo.
lang parati nagdadrive nung sasakyan eh.
Oo, yun yung
May
sabi
dala pa
niya.
siyang
May
kotse,
car.
girl.
Bakit siya
Mayaman
may
siya.
dalang car? Or siya lang talaga yung may tunay na car? Ganon?
Pero hindi,
Feeling ko
kasi
nga,
feeling ko
mukha siyang
sponsored
mayaman
siya. Kasi yung Hyundai, lumalabas. Pero ito yung thing, bakit siya lang yung nagdadrive? So, pumili ba yung Hyundai ng pogi? Para mag-drive, ganon?
I mean, super deserved kasi sobrang pogi talaga niya mo. As in, parang
Oo.
pagdating talaga niya, parang yes, lahat talaga ng mga babae parang
Natanga
medyo
talaga silang
nawindang.
lahat.
And again,
Correct.
even the shaman boy and the lola.
Yes.
The lola
and the
divine
lola.
spirit.
Correct.
Tapos siya kasi, parang, hindi lang siya pogi yung sign pa niya, golden dragon. Di ba? Parang, ano ba, lahat na naman napaka-perfecto. Parang pati yung sign niya, golden dragon. So parang pagdating niya doon, he was at first pursuing another girl. Yung tawag namin ni Trancy sa kanya, si Wendy. Kasi kamukha niya si Wendy ng Red
Wendy.
Velvet. Sobrang ganda
Oo,
nitong
wow.
girl na to.
Pagpasok pa lang niya, parang, ay, ganda naman itong ate girl na to masyado.
Tapos lahat talaga din ng girls, di ba? Parang nakatulala din sa kanya na,
Oo,
ang ganda mo,
sobra.
ganon.
Mukha
Ang
daw
cute
siyang
din ng
artista.
story niya. Oo. Tapos parang
Ay, ang ganda
siya,
ng story niya.
parang siya yung unang pinursu, but then parang it didn't really work out kasi the girl already had like somebody in her heart. Tapos may dumating na catfish na girl na sobrang ganda din nung catfish na girl. Ewan ko, ako gandang-ganda ako sa kanya.
Ako nagaganda na ako sa kanya.
Ganda, no? Pagdating nitong catfish na girl, si Kyung-on, so silang dalawa naman yung nagde-date, ganyan-ganyan. May isang shaman girly. Ayaw ko talaga sa kanya. Ang
Ayaw ko
pangalan
sa-
niya, hindi ko na tinatandaan yung pangalan niya.
Yung Yugyong?
Yugyong?
Yugyong, oo.
Ito
Iba
si
si
Yugyong. Ito si Yugyong, tong maliit na babaeng, yung shaman kasi siya na yung mata niya, talagang umiikot. Meron siyang condescending look, we think. Anyway, yung pinili niyang fated Ginadje. Yung pinili niyang fated partner sa start, si Golden Dragon. Tapos nun, she tried her best to find the Golden Dragon. Pero, yung mga nakaka-date niya, hindi yon. And then, there was a day na parang ni-reveal sa kanila kung sino talaga tong mga personality na to. So, nung nalaman niya na yung si Golden Dragon, si Sangyok and not the guy she was dating, nabaliw-baliw siya. Halos lahat ng guys sa house, siya yung type. Si Hoam, si Byung-yul, tsaka, silang dalawa lang
Silang
pala.
dalawa lang naman.
Nung time na yon. So, parang kinakausap niya si Hoam. Si Hoam naman isa ding shaman na very soft, na parang in love lang sa kanya. Doon
Parang
pa siya
siya si Iyol. Parang Iyol of possessed love. May ganun siyang vibe.
Correct. Parang nung kinakausap niya to si Hoam, talagang nilabasan niya na sabi niya na, oh no, I don't wanna go out on a date with him because I know that I'll fall in love with him. And you know what? Because of my divine spirit, I'm sure that I just need to talk and he'll feel the same way about me. May ganong pinagsasasabi tong babaeng to. Yung talagang feel niya. Si Sangyok nga, meron ka-date na nga niya to si Kyung-on and sobrang okay na sila. Tapos ito rin, aside from being Golden Dragon, he's also a Leo. Kaya iniisip ko din na parang, sira ulong babaeng to, ang mga Leo loyal, hindi yan madaling masway. Parang yun yung iniisip ko nung time na yun. Nung pinakita yung date nila, medyo sweet. To be fair sa editing, medyo nagoyo ako. Kasi makikita mo talaga. Diba? Parang meron pa sila sa car, both of them were leaning back na ganyan. And they were having this conversation. Tapos parang sinasabi din kasi ni Golden Dragon, ni Sangyok na, must be about timing. We missed each other. I wanted to talk to you also, pero napansin ko na may iba ng guy who has
May ganun nga, nainis ako dun sa speech na
diba?
yun.
May sinabing ganun si Sangyok. Kaya so parang napaisip ako. Sila yung pinaka-last na bumalik sa house after their date. Tapos buhat-buhat pa ni Sangyok tong bag ni Yugyong. So parang medyo, what's happening? Parang ganon. But anyway, at the end of the day, hindi pinili ni Sangyok tong babaeng shaman na umiikot ang mata. Yun lang naman. Kasi,
Pero pinili niya ba yung dinedate
Si
niya?
Kyung-on.
Oo, pinili
Oo.
niya. Tapos merong scene na nakakakilig.
Oo.
Pinakita, may reveal kasi after niyang piliin si Kyung-on. Kasi si Kyung-on din yung fated partner na pinili niya sa start din sa plaque. Tapos parang may flashback na parang nag-uusap sila. Okay, sorry, ang haba na nito. Pero to si Yugyong, meron pa siya kasi parang everybody was gathered. Parang, let's play the truth game. May ganun pa siya. Diba? Tapos parang tinanong niya to si Sangyok, who are you most attracted to right now? Sinabi niyang ganun. So parang everybody was awkward kasi everybody knew na gusto ni Sangyok si Kyung-on pero galing lang silang dalawa sa date na sweetie-sweetie,
Yun
dala niya yung
nga,
bag. Like,
Sino yung tanong? Di ba si Hoam nagtanong
si
nun?
Yugyong, iba yung tinanong ni Hoam. Parang tinanong ni Hoam, which date did you like better?
That was like the
Today or
most
yesterday?
awkward question and answer portion ever.
Diba?
So, medyo fail. For me, honestly, medyo fail yung scene na yun. Kasi maganda yung ginawa nila sa Singles Inferno eh. Maganda yung ganun. Di ba meron sila
yung medyo
usually they're
reveal
around,
talaga.
Reveal.
Yung
Parang,
sa, yung
mas-
fire pit,
Oo.
towards the end.
Mas maganda yung timpla sa Singles Inferno nun versus dito. Kasi dito parang defensive lahat. Parang may ganung
Ayaw
dating.
nilang i-reveal. Parang ganon.
Ayaw.
And syempre, awkward si Sangyok kasi nga, ganon. Anyway, so because of that, di niya masagot. So yung flashback was, after that game, si Kyung-on, the pretty girl na catfish, nilapitan niya si Sangyok, parang, hoy, mag-usap tayo. Bakit hindi mo masagot yung tanong kanina? Hindi ba ako yung sagot mo? Parang ganon. Tapos parang si Sangyok was like, no, you were my answer. It was just awkward. Tapos parang yun, nandun silang dalawa sa bed. Tapos hawak-hawak na ni Sangyok yung nini Kyung-on. Medyo namatay ako sa kilig na sobrang yung, parang may sinabi pa siya na, good things will come to us. May ganun pa siyang sinabi, diba?
Ang cute pa. Kasi dun sa final interview nilang dalawa, parang si Guy kasi sobrang decidido na niya kay girl. Kasi nga parang like, sobrang match and then fated pa. So parang as mayroon siyang magandang sinabi na parang, in gist, ang sabi niya parang he doesn't really know if he believes in destined partners, pero at this moment he does. Parang may ganun. And then si ate girl naman, parang sabi niya, there's something. May ganun siyang sinasabi na parang ito na talaga ata yun, sabi niya. Tapos pareho silang nag-iiyakan nung interview nilang dalawa. So cute.
Aww.
Parang may ganung overwhelming emotion.
May something.
It's so nice.
Aww.
Ang dami naming spinoil. But yeah.
Oo nga. Sabi na namin lahat.
Ang ganda-ganda kasi.
Okay
Gusto
lang.
namin pag-usapan.
At least So would you say, so it's much better than the first one, no? Like,
Yes.
mas
Ako, I would
enjoyable.
say yes. Oo. Except na lang kay Gangwon, tangina talaga niya. Buisit siya.
Tsaka si
Kainis.
Hyun.
So,
Charot.
oo.
Galit na galit.
Sorry last. Kasi parang syempre, parang, I mean, it felt like the reason why he was kicked out was really serious. Kaya after pag-kick out, never na siyang minention.
Oo.
As in.
Oo, parang
Tapos
siya
si
lang
Ryan,
lang
ang
yan.
sad, si Ryan never nang nakikita kasi parang, I guess wala na. Kasi siya ibang connection eh.
Oo.
The entire time she was there, she was with Gangwon. As in, sila talaga yung forever from the very, very beginning.
Oo.
They met each other. Silang dalawa na talaga yung parating nagtuturuan, nagmamatch. Nagtuturuan
Oo.
talaga. Tapos, nung bigla siyang nawala, so si Ryan medyo naging off the radar na lang, side character na siya. And then, di ba syempre, magpipilian na sila sa dulo. So, in the end, she chose this guy because this was the guy daw na who was comforting her. They didn't say explicitly kung bakit. But then, of course, we know.
Oo.
Tapos, yung may isang parang parang may isang time na she was like washing the dishes. And then she was crying. Kasi nga, tangina, this motherfucker fucked her up. Alam mo, I'm so pissed. Man!
Ay, nako. To si Gangwon, ewan.
Buisit.
That should have ended his
Sorry,
career.
naalala ko lang, merong na-kick out. Hindi siya na-kick out.
Umalis.
Nag-voluntarily
Umalis
siya.
Oo.
Di niya
Umalis,
kinaya
diba?
eh.
Oo.
Okay.
Sobrang
at
stressful
least.
nun.
Correct.
Sobrang stressful
I
nun.
see. Something to look forward to.
Aha.
Kung mapapanood ko pa siya, hindi ko alam. I'm pretty sure once I'm done with this project, medyo tambak na ako ng sobrang daming papanoorin.
Correct.
Kasi ang dami rin
Kalimutan mo na
mga
yung labada
paparating.
mo. Pag manood ka na. Kalimutan na muna yun.
Pero 'di ba, ang dami ding mga paparating na nice shows. Like, I think Devil's Plan is about to
Yes.
come out
May
soon.
6.
So I'm so
Oo,
excited
Devil's
about
Plan.
that. And actually, yun lang. Yung naalala lang. Ano ba bang mga paparating? Basta alam ko maraming paparating.
Correct.
How about music this time? I mean, I am so out of the loop. Alam ko lang there have been new releases. I wanna know kung ano ang mga pinapakinggan nyo these days, mga bagong like natipuan nyo or something. Natipuan? Ba't ako nananagalog? Jesus Christ. But anyway, I saw that there were releases by J-Hope, La Seraphim, Cat's Eye, G-Dragon. What do you think of them? I don't know. Tell me. What
Kanino ka
should I be listening
pinaka-curious?
to?
Pinahu.
All of them.
All of
Kaya
them?
naman yun yung minention ko kasi sila yung
Positive
gusto
or
ko.
negative?
Both.
Ako
Saan?
I would say sa akin, yung si G-Dragon. I mean, I've listened to it like, few times lang naman. Pero yung drop niya, as in yung comeback niya, was really good. As in all fairness, masaya siya.
Yeah.
Hindi ko matandaan masyado ngayon, pero yung, I still parang remember that feeling of like listening to it in the morning. And I was like, ganun, fairness ha. G-Dragon's back, ganon.
And also the song that he produced from Good Day, where he gathered all the movers and shakers from 2024. Syempre, nandun ang Busok Soon. At nakakatawa
Yeah.
yung MV kasi halatang favorite si Hoshi eh. Kasi siya yung pinakamadaming exposure sa kanilang tatlo. Pero like, how can we not fall in love with him? Parang ganon. But anyway, so it's Busok Soon, Espa was there. Day 6 also came. 88 liners. Nandun din yung mga nasa variety. And Kian, 84, was also there. And si Chef An Jong-se was also there. I'm sorry.
What?
In his,
Okay.
in his
Nag-rap siya. Char.
narrative. Meron siyang parang siya, nagsasabi lang siya mga sweet dreams, mga ganyan-ganyan.
Oh, may spoken word siya.
Oo, ganyan-ganyan yung ginawa niya. It's so nice. Like, I don't know if, and because we were talking about shamans as well, the shaman from The Wailing, siya rin, friend siya ni G-Dragon. As in, close pala sila, umiinom sila. Ganong type. So, parang siya yung parang, yung shaman sa The
The
Wailing.
older guy.
Hindi, si
Ah,
Japanese.
Ah, yeah,
The
yeah,
Japanese
yeah.
shaman.
Yeah. Yeah.
So siya
Wow.
yung gumawa nung parang pinaka-ending ng song. Naging medyo gospel siya sa ending. Yung parang,
Oh.
let
I
the
see.
light come in. Parang may ganun sa end. Ang galing ko kumanta, di ba? Pero basta, it's such a nice song. It was parang ni-revive niya isang song from the 90s of this band. And he did it in a very G-Dragon way. Although my husband is saying, feeling niya parang minadali yung mix. But ako, wala akong narinig na gano'n. Hindi ko naman naintindihan yung gano'n. I just really enjoy the song. It's so nice. And ang galing lang na how everybody was there. Feeling ko biased din si Eric kasi parang sabi niya, ba't hindi bumirit si DK? Ba't di bumirit si Song Kwan? Parang may gano'n.
Oh, grabe loyalist masyado.
Masyadong protective.
Si CL din nga pala may part doon. Kasama si CL.
CL.
Yes. Pero diba, pero naisip ko rin yun, oo nga, bakit ba hindi pinabirit? Kasi yung part ng Busok Soon, very cute eh. Basta ganun.
Pero,
Anyway,
sorry.
it's nice.
So, sila yung mga movers and shakers, but like, like randomly ginather niya lang
Oo.
sila? Or were they like the guests of his show? Or
Parang nilapitan niya yung mga yon, kaya sila nag-guest sa show niya because he wants to produce a song. Ang premise ni GD, sabi niya, nung bata siya, lagi niyang napapanood, pag year-end sa Korea, there is always like this gathering of all the biggest artists of the year and they sing one song.
Yeah.
So he wants to do the
Okay.
same. Parang ganon. So that's what he did. He went to different people who he feels were like huge in 2024. Kaya 17 kasi ang daming desang last year. Espa, dami din desang last year. And then Anjong Se, and then Kian was there. So parang pinagsama-sama niya para gumawa lang ng song for them. So yun, parang yun yung We Are the World niya. Pero hindi siya We Are the
I was
World.
gonna say. Pero wala siyang like Live Aid kasi like donations, proceeds will go to ganun. Walang
Meron. Oo.
Okay.
All the proceeds go to a charity. I forget which one. Pero may ganun din siya.
Oh, so may ganun talagang vibe, live
May
aid
ganun
talaga.
naman pala.
Yes.
I was gonna say lang, he was just fulfilling his childhood dream. May ano naman pala.
purpose pala talaga.
May
ganun.
purpose naman pala siya.
Oo. So,
Oh, that's
The
nice.
88liners, MC1, Jung Hae-in, they were all there also.
Yeah. Okay. How about ano yung sabi ko? Le Seraphim Tableau with RM.
Oh my
Napakinggan niyo na ba yun?
God!
Hindi ko pa siya
ako hindi
napapakinggan.
pa.
Oh my God!
I
It's
haven't heard
short
it yet.
lang. It's like a 3-minute song. It's so nice and it's actually quite heavy. Tableau also said this on Instagram, I think, na parang the reason why, actually they recorded this before RM enlisted and then he's just held on to it for the longest time. He did not want to release it because he felt that the lyrics were too personal. So, until recently, RM called Tableau and was like, yung ano na nangyari sa kanta natin. Tapos parang Tableau was like, I don't want to release it because it's too personal. And then Namjoon was like, hindi, just go ahead and release it. And I think what he was talking about, because there was a lyric with Namjoon's rap that says, ever since I was a kid, I always thought I would be part of the 27 Club. May ganon. So parang,
What?
yes.
Sabi
That-
niya yun?
Sinabi niya
That's
dun sa lyrics niya.
Oh
Yeah,
my
sobrang
God.
tough. As in like, sobrang heavy yung buong song because Tableau was,
Interesting.
sorry, natatawa ako kasi, anyway, mamaya na yun. Parang Tableau was also talking about how tough it is to grow up in a household na parang you're expected to do this and to do that, na basically using religion as you have to, he talked about, basta, the lyrics are very heavy. Medyo heavy siya and how like, it's about, parang rain yung pinaka-theme kasi that's one thing that Tableau and RM agree about. Parang ganon. That's one thing they both like. Very in keeping, di ba, sa mga personality nila. So, ayun, natatawa ako kasi nag-interview si Tableau ng Epic High, ni Tukats siya, ni ano. Tapos parang sabi nila na, tungkol saan ba yung kanta? Tapos parang si Tableau, tungkol sa mga trauma ko. Tapos parang, di ba, Tableau had this whole issue about like Stanford and whatever. Tapos parang sila,
Oo.
hanggang kailan mo ba pagkakakitaan yun? Parang
I love it. I love friends that keep friends humble.
Ang ganda!
talaga si Tableau. Tapos parang sabi, parang 12 years mo na yan. Tapos parang siya, hindi kasi yun yung topic. And also, bakit pag 12 years, dapat healed na? Hindi na pwede. Anyway, it was so funny.
Ang
It's a nice
ganda.
song.
O, pag-usapan natin yung Cat's Eye.
Ha? O sige, Katsay. Gnarly.
Di ba pinakinggan mo?
Pinakinggan ko. At ang masasabi ko lang is, naalala ko yung NBA.
NBA?
Kasi may,
Yung mga cheerleaders.
kasi diba, Well, okay, cheerleader and their, wets and stuff. Di, yung ano, di ba yung sa NBA, yung ano, yung ten. Wait, hindi ko siya makanta. Oo, parang ganon. Basta yun yung tunog niya sa akin.
Bakit parang narinig ko that?
Oh, yun nga eh. Kaya nga tumitigil akong kumanta eh. Kasi parang yun din yung lumalabas eh. Anyway, magigets nyo na yun.
Okay.
Pakinggan nyo na lang ulit. Tapos magigets nyo why I'm saying NBA. But yeah, what do you guys think of the song? Gnarly.
I
Pia
saw
doesn't
din,
like it.
pinanood ko din earlier yung
Performance.
I think this was the thing that you shared. Oh, is it true? Tsaka yung ano
Yeah.
nila sa
And
studio,
yung
sa music
countdown.
bank din.
Move back ba yun? Oo.
Para ano siya, I mean like choreography-wise, it is lit. I mean, as they've all said. Like, parang, I mean, and these girls talaga, they served. Makita mo talaga na magaling talaga sila. Pero parang, hindi ko maintindihan yung kanta eh. Ano ba? Ano ba to? Parang generation gap? Parang ganun. Parang, it's giving, ano kasi, pero in a way, gets ko kung bakit nila ginagawa to. Parang feeling ko, parang kailangan kasi ng bad girl era after the good girl era of the earlier.
Correct.
And kailangan maging controversial na sila. So, I feel like this is their controversial song. And then, feeling ko yung next nila i-release, magpipivot sila, babalik ulit sila sa
Soft.
Correct.
Oo, sa soft.
Super
Parang
gets.
ganun. So,
I noticed lang though, like even way back, parang yung mga baguhang girl groups kasi, medyo mas ganong angulo na yung music nila. I mean, parang medyo loud.
Oo.
Is loud the best
Parang
description?
nakita
Medyo
kong
loud.
genre na
Oo.
tinatawag na as hyperpop is what they're calling it.
Hyperpop, is that what it's called?
That's what I'm
Parang ganon.
seeing.
So like when I heard Gnarly, because I tried to go through some of them, like when they came out, yung mga baguhang girl groups, and they were just loud. Parang, I wouldn't say that they sucked, but I just knew that I wasn't gonna listen to them every day, like the way I would, the other songs.
Oo.
So when Gnarly came out, parang, okay, so it's one of those also. Pero hindi ko siya pinansin. I mean, I wouldn't say that I hated it, but I just knew that I wasn't gonna listen to it, like, while driving or something.
Oo.
Pero ang enjoyable ng performance. As in,
Yes.
nandun pa rin talaga ako. Siguro dahil pinanood nga natin yung docu. So you saw their growth and then like how gorgeous they are now and how confident, like ang laki ng, ang layo na ng narating nila from when they were starting out.
Oo.
So parang, I think I'll always have a bias on sa Cat's Eye na
Yeah.
gano'n, na kahit na hindi ko masyadong bet yung
Yeah.
music or something. Parang I'll always be proud.
Yeah. But I think that's where I'm coming from. Like, the reason why I don't like it, because, well, first, I'm not the target market as not a fan
Yeah,
of
same.
hyperpop. Second, like, parang siguro kaya ko siya kung yung lyrics would actually do it justice.
Makes
But the
sense.
lyrics are like, what the hell?
Parang,
That's
Stop
true.
making Gnarly happen. Like, let's make Fetch happen first,
like,
girls.
gnarly has come and gone. Diba? Parang
Diba?
gnarly
Gnarly.
is actually our era. Diba?
And-
Diba?
and
Parang
like-
early 2000s. Ganun. Anyway.
And also like, parang, they're so talented kasi. Kaya nakaka-frustrate. I mean, the dancing, the performance is good. But like, if you would just wanna listen to the song, parang hindi ko na feel yung talent nila coming through. These are all singers. What's happening? That's my frustration with the whole thing. And parang,
I have
anyway, ayun na lang.
I have
stop
a
na ako.
feeling though, because it's so short, it's like just a minute
minutes.
or something. Like
2 minutes.
Less than 2 minutes or whatever. Feeling ko, ano lang siya, pang-catch attention, pero meron pang paparating.
Yeah,
Meron
I
nga
mean,
ba?
I agree.
Yeah,
It felt
feeling
that
ko.
way for me. Parang feeling ko ano lang siya. It's there to establish like an identity for them.
Oo.
Alam mo
Parang,
yun?
oh, we're
Parang
here,
to diversify.
ganon.
Kasi
Oo.
I remember before, like, tama ka nga, parang like the new groups kasi, parang, sabihin natin, hindi naman sa same parang kind of genre, pero new jeans, like Cookie. This is their Cookie. Alam mo yun? Parang, alam naman na, alam mo may controversy yung song, pero pinupush pa rin nila kasi it adds something to the group. Eh.
Attention.
Parang may
Oo.
attention. So parang feeling ko ito yun. Les Seraphim din, di ba yung next album nila after the first? Parang medyo ano sila, parang medyo iba yung sound na medyo weird, ganun. So, parang I think this felt like that for me. Like, ako din, di ko siya gusto. Honestly, the first time I watched it, parang like, parang gusto ko mag-drugs. Parang, ano nangyari? Shit! Alam mo yun, parang
Feeling
ano
ko
siya,
talaga,
diba?
feeling ko talaga patungo dun ngayon yung trend ng mga bagets.
Drugs?
Kasi you know how, hindi naman drugs. Guys,
Do not
don't
do
listen to
drugs,
us.
please.
No.
Drugs are bad.
Never.
Pero you know how, because it's the nauso yung 90s, retro, what do you call that? Basta nauso yung 90s now. and
Tangin na
stuff.
retro na tayo.
Neutro. Oo, parang yung tawag nila.
Neutro. There. Yeah, that's what I was thinking of. And then, you know how, after that, yung pagdating ng mga early 2000s, yung time ng skins, yung skins na medyo nagwawala, medyo wild.
Correct.
Children.
Oo.
Maka-age lang natin yung skins dati. But anyway,
Correct.
baka feeling ko nandun na tayo, parang pag ganun na, I don't know. Yun lang yung na-feel ko, parang, it's just evolving. So I'm just letting them be. And somehow, hindi ko alam, pero parang na-feel ko, there's something very, hindi ko alam kung tama yung na-feel ko, pero something very Destiny's Child about their performance.
Yes.
So
gets.
parang they're bringing in more of the Western too, which is fine. I mean, it's not like they're establishing themselves as like K-pop, diba?
Correct.
That's
Ika nga,
true.
meron, alala ko lang, meron nag-comment sa ating YouTube page describing Cat's Eye as not a K-pop group because they don't have a Korean song. So technically, they should be considered a Western group. Or not Western, but I guess global. I mean, so it's like them positioning themselves as something different, like out of the mold of K-pop. Kahit na ang pinanggalingan nila ay K-pop label. I guess label lang yung pwede nilang
That's
Pwede
true.
nilang
And
angklahin na
a Korean member
K-pop
who's a
And a
minor
Korean member.
shaking her booty. Hi, yun
She's
siya.
still a minor?
Yeah, she's turning 18
Oh
19
my
this
gosh.
year. Huh? Di ba turning
Isn't she
18
19?
this year? Parang naging issue yun sa Twitter. Everybody was talking about how she's a minor pa. That's why a lot of
God, she's
people are,
19.
Baka Korean age yung 19.
Okay. Although there's like, meron akong favorite part sa choreo na something na basta ginanon yung mukha niya and then she made a
Gagi,
face.
17 pa lang siya, guys.
Oh, turning 18 this year siya eh. Oo.
Turning 18 sa December 6 ka birthday niya, tatay ko.
O, kita mo, happy birthday,
We'll get
Tito.
along.
Okay. So, wait. Since napasada na natin yung New Jeans actually, quick lang because when I was leaving the world,
Uy,
when I was leaving
wag!
civilization, mali, puro mali sinasabi ko. When I was leaving knowledge and entered my project, yun nga, nagkakaguling New Jeans. Please let me know what happened not to them. Like, where are they and are they coming back and is it over? Because that was a long issue.
Yeah.
Like, them, like, changing to NJS.
Oh my God.
Tama ba?
Oo, parang
NJS ba yung
ganun.
pangalan
Something
na yun or
that.
something like
yeah. I wouldn't know like the whole issue if they're coming back still. But I remember like, di ba they had this, performance in Hong Kong. And after their performance in Hong Kong as NJS, lumabas na yung ruling nung South Korean court that says that they basically can't continue, which everybody knew all along, basically, because
Yeah.
they're still under a door and whatever. So I feel like after that, they kind of said their goodbyes as well. And maybe the question is, siguro popost ko na lang sa atin, gusto nyo pa bang bumalik sila? Or kaya pa bang masalvage ang mga career nila kung mag-comeback sila ng isa-isa? Maybe not too soon, no? Siguro. It will take a while.
As soloist?
Because it's not criminal what they did.
No.
Yeah, as
Yeah.
soloists.
Oo.
'Di ba? Hindi naman sila yung parang ka-cancel na tipong si Sungri ng Big Bang na putang ina, wag ka
totoo
na.
naman
Diba?
yan.
Hindi naman
correct,
ganun
correct. Parang when New Jeans came kasi, parang, whoa, like, who are these people? Someone, it's like a fresh group. Like, the concepts are, bago. We've never
Yeah.
seen them before, blah, blah, blah.
yeah.
But, I thought also, while they're all very talented and pretty and whatever, parang hindi naman established fully yung, kumbaga, contribution nila to K-pop. I'm sure, of
Gets.
course, they had some form of contribution. Pero kumbaga, hindi sila mamimiss. Hala, baka don't go after me. Pero
Mga
kumbaga,
bunnies.
because it was such a short run, like, I feel like they can be missed eventually. But of course, since these girls, they worked hard for their careers, blah, blah, blah. Of course, I want them to come back and all that. But I'm just saying na, ang hirap to fight for, they should come back. Because, again, ang ikli lang nun and ang daming mga bago naman na nagsisidatingan. And they're also talented and
Yes.
stuff like that.
That's true.
So,
I mean, sa
yeah.
mundo ng K-pop, di ba? Parang mawala ka lang ng sandali.
Yun. Exactly.
Diba? Parang
Diba?
mapapalitan ka na kagad. I
Correct.
mean, they're
Yeah.
big. Bilang silang mukha ng Incheon Airport. Di ba? Paglapag mo pa lang sila na nandun.
Oo.
Ganun sila kalaki. Pero, ako ang tanong ko is, paano sila babalik? Kasi kumbaga
totoo
yung
yan.
brand nila ngayon is established na on them going against the system eh. Parang may ganun ako nafe-feel eh. Kasi parang the people supporting them support the cause that they are trying to to emphasize, which is parang the K-pop system is fucked up. Parang may ganun silang ino-offer na thought process eh. So parang if they come back, paano sila babalik sa isang sistema na nire-reject nila? So I don't know,
Tama,
like kung
tama.
individual sila babalik, it's still the same. Alam mo yun, parang
Yeah.
I don't know. Yun lang yung sa akin. Kaya I don't know how they're gonna come back rather. If they wanna come back, how are they gonna come back?
Yeah.
Parang ganun.
Baka global stage na rin daw sila. Sa Hollywood na
Oo,
rin
sa
sila
Hong
magpapaproduce.
Kong.
Ay, sa Hong Kong.
Correct. Sa Hong Kong.
Hindi daw masama daw mga memories nila dun eh. Ayaw na nilang balikan nila.
Ay, wag na.
Joke lang.
Sa Taiwan na lang. Check. Pero
Super
ako,
sayang.
honestly, I don't know, I've lost interest, honestly. I mean, I'm so sorry, ha. Pero parang, yung parang, di ko na, gusto mong bigyan naman sila ng benefit of the doubt, na parang, alam mo, and we know naman na K-pop as an industry is may darkness din siya. Alam mo yun? And maybe what they're doing, not exactly what they're, sa situation like emphasizing, but other aspects of the K-pop industry is being shown to light because of what they're doing. Pero parang at the same time, happy place ko to eh.
Oo.
Ayaw, ang hirap maging selfish. Sorry naman. Pero parang may part na, gusto ko lang maging masaya.
Yeah.
Yeah, totoo yan.
Balance lang. Parang
Correct.
intense masyado on their end.
Correct.
Like, honestly,
Yun lang.
I will still blame them. I really think they're partially at fault for all that issue, yung nagsilabasan yung listahan of, yung Hives list and all that shit.
Yeah.
Oo.
And like, it really ruined the morale of all these artists.
Yes.
I mean, say what you guys want to say about whether or not that list should exist. Point is, it shouldn't have been seen by these artists. Alam mo yun? And obviously, it really felt like it was planted na ikalat para it would wreak havoc. And
Yeah. It was a move.
it was a move.
Yeah.
It was definitely a move. And that was so annoying. I was so annoyed at that period
Yeah.
because, we're just trying to be peaceful here, but you're intentionally ruining it. Alam mo
Yeah.
yon? Parang ang hassle. Sobrang hassle talaga.
Tapos wala naman bala. Alam mo yun? Okay lang eh to
Oo.
ruin it if you really have like something to say, something like of
Oo.
impact. Pero wala eh.
Kaya nga.
Anyway.
Parang siya, desperate move.
Oo. O, diba connected na naman sa shaman. Ang shaman ni Jin.
Oh my God! May shaman
I
nga
love
pala
it.
dito.
My God.
Nakalimutan ko na yun.
Oo.
I mean, it's been a year. Didn't
I
the issue
know,
start
my
like April of
God.
last year?
Wow.
Like, jeez.
Grabe.
I'm glad that they decided to like lie low and, refocus on, how they wanna do their thing.
Yeah.
Because they really do need to regroup. Alam mo
Yeah.
yun? Like them going out there and saying na, we're a new group. We're called NJS now, blah, blah, blah. It felt so unplanned. Alam mo yun? Parang I was really worried for them. Parang this is not getting better. You're not helping yourself.
Yeah.
Parang ganun
Yeah.
talaga yung na-feel ko for them. I was so worried for them. even more. Kasi, anyway.
If sana they
Yeah.
waited lang bago nila ginawa yun. Ang
Oh,
bilis
yun nga
kasi.
eh.
Like, are
Kaya
they
nga
so
eh.
desperate about money? Like, girls, dami naman na kayong pera, di ba? Anyway,
Oo
They should have just
parang
given
ito
it a
school
rest.
planning.
parang 2 years,
Yes.
ganon, tas balik kayo.
Correct.
Ganyan. Anyway.
Anyway.
Ay.
Pero ito, gusto ko talagang tanungin kasi yun nga, nung mga panahon na to, medyo pabisi na ako ng pabisi. Pero nadadapesan ko lang yung issue, yung kay Kim Soo-yeon.
Hi.
Oh, tumahimik. Medyo mabigat. Oo nga eh. Super happy, but like, ano na bang nangyari doon?
Sandali kasi yung mga fans niya super loyal ha. So sa mga fans niya, like, okay, we understand that this is your idol. So parang siguro ako na lang my input as somebody who doesn't really know everything that's happening because there's been talk about him being a pedophile because supposedly dinate niya this girl, Kim Seron, right? Na
Seron.
who took her life on his birthday when she was still a minor. And a lot of people are disputing that and madami sa mga fans niya ang sinasabi, like, why talk about it now? It's been like more than a year or something since the death. Is this the family's way of just getting money from Kim Soo-yeon and things like that? So, gets ko naman like parang the conflicting sides, and I guess we would never really know the truth behind everything. Pero yung pinaka naging trigger point lang sa akin was when Kim Soo-yeon did his apology. After he apologized, he said that he was gonna sue the family for how much? Like a huge amount of money. When it was already so clear in the news na wala na ngang pera yung pamilya. Even the funeral of Kim Seron was paid for by like mga dati niyang kasama sa industry because she used to be an actress. So we already know that they don't have money and then you sue them for money for this because he lost all of his endorsements and all of that. Like, I guess I have a lot of things to say against somebody because Kim Soo-yeon being the highest paid actor in Korea, you don't lose your billions of dollar or billions of Korean won, however much amount you were earning. Hindi mo naman yun mawawala ng lahat-lahat ng basta-basta for you to sue a family that doesn't have money anymore kasi nawalan ka ng mga endorsement. Like, it just does not make sense to me. The power imbalance is really so huge and it makes me so mad. I understand you want to clear your name, but maybe there's another way of going about it. Yung pinag-usapan nga, di ba dati, uso yung mga tipong, who was that? Gwyneth Paltrow, I'll sue you for $1. Di ba? I'll clear my name.
Yeah.
I'll sue you. I just need $1. Parang ganun dapat siguro.
Yeah.
Maybe he can just sue the family if he wants to clear his name. Pero kontiin lang natin amount. Wag yung mga millions of Korean won. Wala na ngang pera eh. Wala na ngang career yung anak. Kaya nga nagpakamatay. I mean, I don't know why. But anyway, yun lang. Yun yung 2 cents ko about the whole thing.
Super
Ako wala akong thoughts. Honestly, I guess yung pinaka-major thought process ko na lang about it is parang you don't know someone until you know them.
Yeah.
Parang I think
Yeah.
that's the thing for me. Parang like, I mean, and ano siya, I guess, warning na lang din to us who are fans. I mean, and that's what Hallyu is eh. Parang it not lures, but it gets you inside this world as fans eh. Parang kumbaga in a way, magiging fan ka ng isang actor or ng isang idol no matter what happens.
Magdedelulu.
Magiging fan ka. O magdedelulu ka. And then, wake up call na lang siya na parang sometimes who they show on TV talaga, and the screen, and sa mga interviews is not the real person that's, who they are. So, and marami pang layers na hindi natin alam about who they are
Exactly.
as people. So, yun na lang yung takeaway
It's-
ko about this situation.
Yeah.
Kasi, parang ang complicated na. Kaya parang like, ayoko ng sausawan. Parang ako, yun na lang. Justice na lang. Justice na lang. Must
And
be
I
served.
thank you.
And I thank you, Bao.
World
Yeah,
peace.
but that's a good way to end the topic nga. This topic of Soo-yeon, parang let's be mindful na our heroes may not be heroes. So let's not put everything we've got on them. I don't know.
That's
Like-
true. Oo.
Parang ganon. Because I'm pretty sure the Suyeon fans, they must be so devastated
Yeah.
also with what happened.
Yeah.
You know, like, and honestly, I feel like his career is ruined.
Yeah.
Whether
Totoo yan.
tama talaga siya or hindi.
Oo.
I think he's not gonna
Mahirap
recover
Yeah.
from this.
Mahirap mag Kim Son Ho. Alam mo yun, Kim Son Ho situation is a once
But the
in a
thing is
lifetime
kasi yung kay Kim
opportunity.
Son Ho, wala naman siyang masamang ginawa eh.
Yeah.
In all fairness. Pero I mean, parang I think na ano din, feeling ko kung tumagal pa yun, baka mas nahirapan siyang makabangon.
But like,
Kasi nasalo
during-
kagad ng dispatch eh.
Oo, and not just, diba, parang not just Dispatch, like a lot of people came out and said good things about Kim
Yes.
Son Ho. Kay Kim Soo Hyun, ang
Ah,
daming
Kim Soo Hyun
mga
wala.
bad things. Ang daming mga lumabas. Yung parang pumunta pa siya sa
Correct.
Thailand na pinasara yung concert hall tapos ginawa niyang badminton court and everybody had to scramble to make it a badminton court and turn it back into a stage the next day. Ang daming mga ganong parang power trip stories na lumabas.
Okay.
As in ganon.
Oh my gosh, may naalala din akong something tweet na parang, although syempre I don't know how true it is, pero parang apparently if you watch like a bunch of really old interviews, like it would come off as the fellow celebrities know na he's a certain kind of person.
Yeah.
Gets. It's like an
Yeah.
industry secret. Parang
Yeah.
may ganun akong nakita before.
Yeah.
Yeah. Gabi.
And that happens, guys. I
Yeah.
mean, there are people, well, here in our local industry. There will always
Parang
be
open
like yung mga,
secret.
may open secret na, si ano, ganyan. But the fans will never know that.
Oo,
And
oo.
Pero kami ba malalaman mo? Malalaman ba namin mo? Sabihin mo ba sa amin pagkatapos natin mag-record? Kung ano yung mga alam mong
5
sikreto?
million won.
Pakiamin kung paano si Jericho Rosales in real
Oo.
life. Naalala ko ang bango
Oo.
niya nung nakilala ko siya minsan. Mabango pa rin ba siya?
Finally, last before this episode ends, gusto ko lang sabihin na, oh my God, I am so happy that Kim Jong-min is married.
Yes! Oh my God!
Like,
Yes.
how did you guys feel? I don't know. Saglit ko lang siya nakikita on social media and stuff. But like when I saw his face, like some of the photos, parang, oh my God, he's married. Parang it
I
felt
know.
like such a success. Parang may ganun vibe.
Ay, in touch pa rin sa mga slang.
Correct! I know. In fairness, maraming mga bagets kasi on set.
Oh, that's so
Ano yung mga
gnarly
Gen
of
Z
you,
terms
Mon.
na amin?
You're so gnarly.
Ang masasabi ko doon, as in si Jongmin, pag nakikita ko siya yung mga clips, mukhang hindi rin siya naniniwala na kasal na siya. Parang yung look of shock. Parang like,
Nangyari talaga siya, guys.
kasal na
Ganun.
ako.
Parang hindi ako is this really happening? Or gigising na lang ba ako tapos wala
Oo,
na to?
correct.
Parang may ganon.
Oo. May ganun siyang look minsan.
Yeah.
Pero alam mo, nakakatuwa. Parang it really, I mean, I don't know kung like, this is just my feelings na parang ini-impose ko dun sa mga nakikita kong videos. Para it really felt that people are so happy for him.
That's so true.
Parang para talaga siyang piyesta.
Correct.
Alam mo yun, sa mga videos. Nakakatuwa.
Sobrang love ko yung pa-tribute ng 2 days, 1 night sa kanya. As in,
I saw
nakakatawa
that.
pa kasi meron pa silang flashback or sa Twitter ko na lang ba ito nakita. Yun di ba dati, nung start ng season 4, parang si Dindin tsaka si Jongmin nagtatanungan, sinong unang ikakasal sa atin? Tapos parang nagbotohan
Correct.
sila na si Dindin yung unang ikakasal kaysa kay Jongmin. Parang may ganun pa dati. Like,
Oo.
nobody would believe that he will get married. And then now he did. Ang ganda ng tribute ng 2 days, 1 night sa kanya because there was like this video. Well, before the video, nakakatawa kasi may game sila. So, parang yung game, parang tournament type na parang kung natalo ka na sa kalaban mo na to, parang you can't move on to the next round. So, lahat sila parang parang they picked a number. So, first game, second game, whatever. So, parang yung naging nila doon, sinabi ni producer sa kanila, si PD Ju, sabi niya na, okay guys, ang trick is that dapat si Jongmin manalo in every stage. Pero dapat hindi niya malaman na sinasadya ninyong manalo siya. Parang ganon. And the thing is, lahat sila, parang since kung ano yung game na gagawin nila. Kunwari, si Dindin, kailangan niyang basahin yung tongue twister. Rapper siya, di ba? Dapat magaling siya doon. So, paano niya mapapaniwala si Dindin na di niya kaya? Yung kay Seyon naman, kailangan niyang kumain ng ice cream. Parang, paano maniniwala si Jongmin na mananalo siya kay Seyon sa pabilisan ng ice cream? But anyway, they all succeeded. Sobrang nakakatawa kasi si Jongmin, ang saya-saya niya na nananalo siya and clueless siya. Akala talaga niya, totoo ito. Totoo ito. It's Tapos after nun yun, meron silang parang patribute like from people who were from the previous previous seasons. Chate yun was there. Si Hodong pala, wala, no? But anyway, yung mga from previous seasons, that was so nice and touching to see na ganun talaga kasi show na show niya yun, di ba? So, mahal na mahal siya.
Correct.
And sana nga kapag nag-honeymoon siya, totohanin nila na si Dex ang papalit. Dex, nakabalik ka na galing Nepal, di ba? Ali
Oh
ka
my
na.
God!
Dito na
That would be
tayo.
so
Come on.
Oh my God. Shit.
Kasi nag-guest siya sa isang episode as Dindin's friend. Yon.
Shit, ang saya ron. It's nice to know na he's finally married and everyone's happy. Inang ending to. And at the same time, sobrang nakakatuwa kasi para, di ba, yung mga guest list and all, you saw everyone there, including, sorry, Kim Sono. Sorry pero sobrang happy ako nung nakita ko siyang pumasok ng hall na yun.
Oo.
It's like, vengeance! Para may ganun. Kasi like, I will never forget talaga yung bigla na lang siyang ini-edit out dahil nga sa game show na yun. So parang, yun pa lang, parang, oh my God, the world is okay again. Parang may ganun akong na-feel. Thanks, guys, for all these updates. I have a month to go. So,
Oh my God. Tagal
kita
pa.
ulit tayo.
Bilisan natin. Okay.
Manghihingi ako ng more updates, but hopefully, sana yung updates, tipong may alam din ako. Kasi ano ba mga upcoming? Oh my gosh, may bagong album ang 17. So, we're looking forward to that.
Coming up.
Yeah, coming soon. Medyo exciting ng mga teasers that we've seen so far. Like, I must say,
Sorry,
Bakit?
natatawa
Bakit
lang ako
natawa?
kasi sinabi nila na ang ganda ng teasers hanggang maalala mo na yung pangalan ng album, Happy Birthday.
Happy birthday. Totoo lang. Hindi ko matake. Ano na naman nasinghot nila? Happy birthday.
Di ba makita mo, grabe
No
ang pogi,
comments.
tas sa baba, Happy Birthday. Parang nakakasiya.
Parang paano yung
No
naisip na yung
comment.
birthday can relate to like horror thriller? Alam mo yun?
Zombie,
because
zombie.
in theory, according to the dictionary, burst, explosion, that's
Okay.
scary.
I-connect mo sa day.
More stuff is happening in Hallyu and K-pop, K-drama. Can't wait. I think we are trying to finish this show that we're gonna talk about also in the coming episodes. But for now, that's it for my update.
Birthday. Your birthday.
My birthday.
Your birthday. Happy birthday, Monica.
Thank you.
Pero di mali yung look mo ngayon. Kailangan mo ang horror. Kasi birthday mo eh.
Shucks, mali pala yung assignment ko. Dapat pala,
Oo.
dapat pinaghandaan ko yun. Next
Yun
time,
lang.
oh my God, pwede bang when we do the birthday episode,
Horror tayo.
horror tayo. Sige na, namimiss ko na, di ba?
Alam mo,
Tagal.
Monica, kung gusto mo gawin mo.
Paano kayo?
Supportahan ka namin.
Dati, di ba, yung mga first few episodes natin, nag-effort pa tayo. Sige
Wala
na,
na energy ngayon.
ibalik natin yun.
Happy
Bakit
birthday to you.
To you. Happy birthday to you.
But wait, there's more. Of course, hindi mag-end ang episode na to without a game. And for this one, for this episode, kami ay magma-mind meld. And I think, suggestion to ni Pia at Trency, basically gusto lang nila ako i-test kung meron pa akong alam sa mundong ito. So, paano to gagawin?
Hindi, kung nagbe-meld pa rin tayo.
Sorry,
We
mali.
still think as one.
Oo.
No, but I think
Yun ang
about you
ano.
guys. Like in the
Aw.
mountains.
In the mountains.
In the mountain.
Praying like a shaman. To a
Yeah.
prayer site.
Oh, babalik at
May
babalik.
harabuji. Alam mo yun? Baka may nakalusot. Char. So, ang mangyayari is, Pia and I will try to meld. Trency will be giving us a topic. And then for the next round, ang try mag-meld is ako and Trency. Tama, diba? And then si Pia will be giving a topic. Alam niyo naman guys kung paano mag-mind meld, diba? If you don't, panoorin niyo lang kami at sana maintindihan niyo.
Ang topic nyo ay Cat's Eye.
Okay.
Cat's Eye.
Madali lang yan. Dali lang ng Cat's Eye.
Okay. And
Alright. 3, 2, 1, and...
Gnarly.
Oh my God! We're still friends!
Dali lang nun. Wala, hinirapan ko ng konti.
Akala ko aabot tayo sa Carla. Gnarly.
Oo.
Yan.
Carly.
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 Okay, eto ang word ninyong dalawa. Dapat makuha nyo rin in one go. Wow, pressure.
Na-pressure ako.
Joke lang. Kaya nyo to. Your word is birthday. Birthday. 3,
Okay.
2, 1.
Horror.
17.
Ay!
Doon siya pumunta. Nakalimutan na niya yung 17.
I could have done the easy route.
Wala ako. Oh my God,
3,
wait lang.
2, 1.
Darkness.
Ano sasabihin mo?
Ano sabihin mo?
DK.
Oy, malapit na.
Malapit na yun.
Darkness.
And DK.
Oo.
Game.
paano
Grabe,
next
ini-assume mo
three?
naman na siya parati iniisip ko.
Oo, di nga. Totoo, di ba?
Oh, ito para sa'yo. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Dino.
Nakalimutan ng lahat, hindi si Dino. In fairness.
Always in my heart.
Wow.
Yes. Oo. Especially in the mountains.
Correct.
Yo.
Of Tarlac.
Tapos
Ay, wala
ang
pala
hair
mountain
niya
doon, patag doon.
ngayon.
Oo nga.
Cute-cute ng hair niya ngayon. Hi, minsan na lang ko siyang nasisilip. Minsan ng mga Japan fan meet, ganon. Parang fun, by the way. Parang merong
Yeah.
game section, game portion. Tama ba?
Yes.
Oo, actually.
Sobrang nakakatawa yung fan meet nila.
Before we start this conversation at 17, kasi haba pa to, that is it for this episode. Thank you for joining us. We hope you enjoyed it. Follow us on our socials. We are on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. If you are enjoying our content, we'd love your support. Please hit that follow button and give us 5-star reviews on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts. Your feedback helps us grow and brings more amazing contents your way. Thank you, you're the best. Gumawa, Chegoya, Saranghe!
Saranghe! Thanks, guys!
Bye,
Mwah,
Sarang
mwah.
Base. I'll see you very soon. Do not miss my face too much. I'm still here. Wow.
Pili ka, Monica. Dino or Sonho?
Hala.
Alam mo, dahil sa lemons tuloy, tangerines. Bakit lemons? Although to be fair, hindi ako super like na in love kay Kim Son Ho noon. But I was just so happy he was back. Parang ganon.
Talaga?
And it was a
Di ka na in love?
surprise.
Kahit
Okay,
doon sa
fine,
gano'n
na in
yung
love ako.
Kaya,